Hola, ¿cómo está? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, this is the REDUX video for our 100,000th episode on our channel. So I made a Romano video, and I got a lot of criticism for what I ate because of the things that I put in. It's just for the people that don't know how to actually make a course meal, and they spent their lazy time making money and spending it on restaurant food because they can't cook for shit. So as you can see, I made a fresh bowl with mayonnaise and there's one chili flavored Romanos. As you can see right here, the bag right here, if you can see it, it is a chili flavored Romanos right in front of you. Let me pan it right in your face. So it's a chili flavored Romanos, Marchand Romanos. So we're going to show you how we can make Romanos chips if you don't have any chips in the house. So let's get to it. Waste no little time. So what you want to do is take the Romanos chili flavored chips, no matter what flavor it is, and you want to break it up like this, very easily. So you make sure you get all the chips in it. Oh, look at the crunches. Make sure you get all the spices, all the wonderfulness inside. And also, by the way, I'm going to dip it in with some flavor as extra kick as well. Some taperito sauce with the nice, handsome Mexican man with sombrero. So it's taperito, one of the best hot sauce, strongest. And I'm also having it with Dr. Pepper right here. So let you guys know. And no, you did not see me at White Auto, but that's fine. We're going to show you how it's done right here. So we got it all crunched up. So we're going to open it like this. So it's inside right here. As you can take a better look. Like that. So now we are going to stuff. We have inside a chili flavored Romanos. If I can freaking find it. Hold up, just one quick. I'm not sure if it actually is in it, but here, oh, here we go. Never mind. Right in front of your face. A flavored Romanos chips for inside for a ramen bag. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. So nice here, right? Very nicely done. And we're gonna pat it inside our little ramen bag. So make sure to do like this, like you're baking your meat. And if you want to taste, let me give you a taste test. Very delicious. What I like to do, I like to add my taperito sauce with the kick. So, here we go. Very nicely. Alright. So, it's inside. Really nicely done. Alright, now I'm going to give it a little taste test. So there you go. This is how you make Ramen chips. It's very easy. If you don't got a microwave or a stove and you feel like lazy, so make sure you try this out. It's very, very good. And as well, see you on the next video. And let's see how many criticism we're going to get. This is a lot healthier than using all the sodium. So, toma, boom, boom, and one more time, boom. So, yes, goodbye, and see you in the next video.